so much. He said they welcome you to Purela Maltara. Like Apuni and Chabarre and he Telugu felicitation. Thank you so much. Huh? Yatham Pasthai Kannada It's nice to hear that you had a wonderful cultural function and the sports day. Must be exhausted. Mixed The community has come from all over the world, and I think it's wonderful that we have functions such as these throughout the year, of course, and annually as well. We as members of the community take absolute pride and pleasure in participating, albeit in this brief manner, but definitely letting the community know that we are here, we love belonging, we are all family, and it's a pleasure being supportive and sharing in such special moments. So thank you so much for making it as memorable for us, for all your love and blessings, for us, my family, for me and my husband, Pura Edde Yankuluke, filmed Nama Kelasa Malpua, Yankle, the Puraskara Tikundo, Yankle, Pura, Kelasa Malpa Tikundo, Nikula Pura, Nala Eat the Preeti, Eat the Blessings Tikundo, Mata Satyaparana Nikulna Ashirvada, Yankle, Eat the Pura, and I take this opportunity to say a huge heartfelt thank you. Nikule Nama audience, Nikule Eat the support Karpari, Uncle. Of course, personally, of course, you know that each production but it's only possible because of the support of my audience, and you all are a very, very integral part of it. So thank you so much.